This is the Dash SafeSlice Mandoline. Mandolines are essential in any professional kitchen because of the way they guarantee uniform cuts and unparalleled speed. And this isn't just about making the food look pretty. Even cuts mean even cooking results. But until now, mandolines have been incredibly dangerous with an exposed blade that puts your fingers and hands at risk. Now, with the SafeSlice Mandoline, you can have all the benefits of a mandoline without any of the danger. The Safe Slice Mandoline provides a safer way to cut like a pro. Simply open the stand until it locks into place, and then dial in the cut you want. Our design prevents your fingers from ever going anywhere near the blade, making this mandoline the safest option for an expert slice. And with over 30 different cuts, you can effortlessly slice, julienne, mince, and much more. The mandoline makes it easy to create stunning side dishes and desserts for friends and family. From potato gratin to apple tarts to summertime salads, all of those look amazing when you use a mandoline. And with the Safe Slice, it's easier and safer than ever. Here at Dash, helping you eat better is our #1 priority. That's why we work hard every day to create high-quality products and healthy recipes, all with the customer support team based right here in the USA. So bring your cooking to the next level and safely slice like a pro with the Dash SafeSlice Mandoline.